So we're gonna ride 2 vans to LU. One there, and there's another one behind this one. And we're with our guest for today. Oi! Oi! Oi!
20% na natira na original. It's puro ano eh.
So, Telic has a gig at ALPAS, La Union, and we're heading there today for this weekend. We're here at ALPAS. Oh, hi! Hello!
It's hot though, but she can't walk na day.
Meron ako. Para syempre. Sabi ko,
Ori's first beach trip. Wow! What's this place? Oh, she's scared. She's scared. Hey, Ori.
Na?
Baka you have to go with her.
look at this, sorry girl.
Oh. Oh. Wow! Look! Look, Ari! Wow! Good job! Yay! Oh no!
Cutie Ori.
Just quesadilla. Bluebird. Bluebird. Parang sa'yo na blue.
It looks so nice. So better.
Nalo ko lang.
We're in another place. This is our room. Look, Arya has a bed sa taas. Joke. Hey guys, so we're here at La Union and we're here for oh, she really had to pose within my frame. Anyway, so we're here at La Union. Actually, it's my first time here at Bacnotan because I usually go to, you know, malamang in San Juan. But yeah, it's my first time here at Bacnotan. It's a bit farther away from San Juan. So Autotelic was invited here for a gig at ALPAS. And yeah, it's just a weekend trip. Bianca and I are here to enjoy the benefits while they're here for work. Ori. There. Ready? Come on, Ari, let's go! Let's go, let's go! Let's go!
We used to have each other's playlists. No, no. We used to be each other's best friends. Yeah. And now we go our separate pathways, but your heart's still in mine. Yeah. And maybe we could try it next week again. But I don't wanna think we're toxic. But who cares? You said that we're over, hands under covers alone. me where you been, yeah. Since our break, I'm sorry that I blamed ya for things you can't control. I've been in a daze. I left my heart out to you so you could see me through. But you still deserve better. You stick with me, cause everything I see still reminds me of you. Bag of all your things, the memories of when I kissed you. Remember when we used to say to each other, we belong together, me and you forever. We belong together, me and you forever.
Hey guys, we just woke up from a nap.
Suwi ka.
So beautiful here.
Dahil kay sa daddy yan. Ano din? Dati matatanda. Oo. Talaga. Tapos
I got the this again the cinnamon sugar latte.
Game ka doon. The first one, then.
Yes, the sriracha.
Hindi ko na ito natapon eh.
Got sangria.
Lumipas ang ilang taon, naaalala ko pa rin mga kaluluwang inosenteng walang kamuwang-muwa. Hindi ako mawawala sa'yo, ako'y iyong gabay sa umaga. Sa dalawa, tatlo, iwanan mo ako.
Wow, what is that? It's sleeping.
Every time when you carry it,
Oh, it goes out.
Planado yung usapan nyo na yan. Tingnan din. Walang duty. Between. Ba't ka naka-smile, ha? Ba't ka naka-smile?
Yeah, it was so scary. You look like a villain.
Where's the Mentos?
Too dark, but we're having picnic by the beach. They're coming from the shore.
Yeah, they're
Approaching slowly. There's Ori. There's Ori.
in the middle.
Ori's so brave. Wow.
Baby, we were sacrificing already.
Yeah, we saw.
You drew a
Yeah,
Dick. Tapos we drew a transmutation circle kay Ori.
yeah, we saw.
But no one knows how to act. Sarap ng pencil. Ay, yung malamig na pencil. Pero kahit streaming na, she was na
Streaming na. Sleeping time.
Good night, Ori.
Hello.
Never had.
Hey guys, it's the next day. Good morning, and we're up early because we're gonna swim at the beach with Ori. Ready to swim, baby? Yeah. Ori's ready. No, Dad, don't take me to the beach.